First, type in Google's search bar Watermark Remover IO to access the website. Then, touch on the Try option, and a new page will be launched. Touch on Upload Image, choose one of the three options. For us it will be Photo Library. After the image chosen, you will wait for the image to be uploaded. Once the image ready, you can now switch to on the two options or one of them depending of what you want to remove in the image. Then touch on Download. Once processed, you can touch on Download again to have the image downloaded into your phone. Now, we have our image without watermark.